Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am super excited today because I am starting a GK series for the RRB NTPC exam, and it's going to be really helpful for your exam preparation. And let me tell you one thing, please watch the complete video for better understanding and your preparation as well. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Let's start this series with the first question. Question number 1. The first 5-year plan was based on which economic model? Option number B is the right answer, Harrod-Domar model. What was the time period of first 5-year plan? Time period was 1951 to 1956. If I talk about option number A, Molanbis model, it used in second 5-year plan, and the time period was 1956 to 61. Move on to the next question. Question number 2. Navakalabar festival is primarily associated with which Indian state? Navakalabar festival is primarily associated with which Indian state? Option number B is the right answer, Odisha. And if I talk about more festival of Odisha, such as Rath Yatra, Nuakhai, Chhau, Bal Yatra, Dol Purnima, you have to remember this. Question number 3. Which of the following festival is also associated with the Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha? Option number A is the right answer, Rath Yatra. Question number 4. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides the procedure for its amendment? Option number B will be the right answer, Article 368. Article 356, it deal with the President rule in a state. And if I talk about the emergencies, Article 352 states that national emergency. And one more article, 360, that deals with the financial emergency. Financial emergency. And let me tell you, all three articles of emergency, 352, 356 and 360, can be declared by the President of India. You have to remember this. And move on to the next question. Question number 5. What is the normal pH range of human blood? Very, very important question. Option number B will be the right answer, 7.35 to 7.45. Question number 6. In which year was the Tarapur nuclear power plant commissioned? Option number C will be the right answer, 1969. And Tarapur nuclear power plant, it is the first, India's first nuclear power plant, India's first nuclear power plant. And where is located? Tarapur nuclear plant is located in Maharashtra. Alright, question number 7. Who is the author of the novel Tamas? Option number C will be the right answer, Vishnu Sahni. One more book of Premchand, important book of Premchand, is Godan and Nirmala. Question number 8. Which Indian leader was severely injured during a protest against the Simon Commission and later succumbed to his injuries? Option number C, Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 9. Which chemical compound is the major component of limestone? Option number B will be the right answer, calcium carbonate. And the chemical formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Alright. Question number 10. Who is credited with the developing the Java programming language? Who is credited with the developing the Java programming language? Option number B will be the right answer, James Gosling. 11. The Sanchi Stupa is located in which Indian state? Option number C is the right answer, Madhya Pradesh. 12. When was the national flag of India officially adopted? Option number C, 22nd July 1947. Question number 13. The pistil is also known as the dash part of the flower. Option number A, male reproductive, B, female reproductive, C, non-reproductive, D, supporting part of the flower. So the option number B will be the right answer, female reproductive part. And what is the name of male reproductive part of the flower? Is stamen. Question number 14. In which year was Inset IB commissioned? Right answer is option number C, 1983. Question number 15. In which year was the first nuclear test, Pokhran 1, conducted by India? Option number C is the right answer, 1974, May 18. Question number 16. Which of the following best represents binary data in a computer? Option number A is the right answer, zeros, 2 and 1. Question number 17. Niti Aayog was established in which year, replacing the Planning Commission? Option number C is the right answer, 2015. Question number 18. What is the total number of members in the UN Security Council? Total number of members. Option number B is the right answer, 15. 10 non-permanent and 5 permanent. 10 non-permanent and 5 permanent member. And the name of the permanent member country is China, France, Russia, UK, United Kingdom, and USA, United States of America. Remember this. Question number 19. The property of metals that allows them to be hammered into thin sheets. Remember this keywords, thin sheets, is known as option number C, malleability. Question number 20. Raja Ravi Verma was famous. Option number B, painter. Question number 21. Who appoints the Chief Justice of a High Court in India? Option number C, President of India. 22. In which year did the Right to Information Act come into effect? Option number B, 2005. Question number 23. In which year was the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Surakha Yojana PMSSY launched? Launched in 2006, but introduced, announced in 2003. Remember this, huh? Remember this. Question number 24. Which battle did Akbar win in 1556 to secure his throne? Option number B, Second Battle of Panipat with Hemu. 25. Who is the youngest person to receive a Nobel Prize? Option number A, Malala Yousafzai. 26. Which place is the source of Godavari river? Option number B, Trimbakeshwar. 27. On which river is the Gandhi Sagar Dam built? Option number B, Chambal in MP, Madhya Pradesh. 28. Which city was the first to witness the outbreak of the revolt of 1857? Option number B, Meerut. 29. In which state is the Sardar Sarovar Dam located? Option number C, Gujarat is the right answer. And the Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated on the banks of Narmada river. 30. Bauxite is the primary ore of which metal? Option number C, aluminium. 31. Which organ is mainly affected by hepatitis A? Hepatitis is a viral disease. Option number B is the right answer, liver. 32. Where is the bile stored before being released into the small intestine? Stored bile stored in gallbladder, and the bile is produced by the liver. Remember this, bile is produced by liver and stored in gallbladder. 33. Which is the fat storing tissue in our body? Option number B, adipose tissue. Question number 34. Which social reformer played a key role in advocating for the Hindu Widows Remarriage Act? Option number B, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. 35. Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India, is located in which island group? Option number B, Andaman and Nicobar Island. 36. Which institution was founded by Pandita Ramabai to support widows and women's education? Option number B, Sharda Sadan. 37. Which Governor General of India was in power when the first passenger train was introduced? Option number A, Lord Dalhousie. And the first passenger train ran in 1953 from Bombay to Thane. 38. In the telecom field, ISP stand for? Option number A, Internet Service Provider. 39. What is the other name of Newton's first law of motion? Law of inertia. 40. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Option number A, Abhinava Bindra. 41. Under which article of the Indian Constitution was the nomination of Anglo-Indian members in the Lok Sabha provided? Option number A is the right answer. Remember one thing, this provision was abolished by the 104th Constitution Amendment Act 2019. This provision was abolished. Understand? Question number 42. Which acid is commonly found in vinegar? It's a easy question. Option number B is the right answer, acetic acid. Formic acid is found in ant sting. Citric acid found in lemons. Lactic acid found in curd, yogurt. 43. Which were the three major British presidencies established in India? Option number A, Bombay, Madras, Bengal. Question number 44. Which noble gas is commonly used in balloons because it is lighter than air? Option number C is the right answer, helium, and the noble gas is present in group 18 of the periodic table. Question number 45. Who was the founder of the Benares Hindu University? Option number B, Madan Mohan Malviya in 1916. 46. Who was the first chairman of National Dairy Development Board, NDDB? Option number B, Varghese Kurian, and Varghese Kurian is the father of White Revolution. 47. Which commission's recommendation led to the establishment of Reserve Bank of India? Which commission's recommendation led to the establishment of Reserve Bank of India? Option number B, Hilton Young Commission. 48. Which saint's shrine is located near Buland Darwaja in Fatehpur Sikri? Option number C, Salem Chishti. 49. Which Mughal ruler built the Bibika Maqbara, often called the Taj Mahal of the Deccan? Option number A is the right answer, Azam Shah, son of Aurangzeb. 50. Who is the author of The Discovery of India, a book on India's history and culture? Easy question. Option number B is the right answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. That's all for today. I hope it will help you a lot. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Keep learning, keep watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.